Alright, in this video I'm going to show you 5 leg workouts to better strengthen your kicks. Okay, so number 1 is going to be leg raises. So we're just going to stand like this, and we're just going to raise up our legs. And the point of these is we are strengthening our quads and our glutes right here. We can do as many as we can, but to get more results, we can go at a higher rep. So we can do 20 reps, just doing 20. Okay, so number 2 is gonna be kicking low, center, and then high. We're gonna kick low, bring it back, kick center, back, kick high, bring it back. So this will be able to help you to challenge yourself to kick higher as you go. So say we do low, we do 5 lows, and then we do 5 centers, and then we do 5 highs. That will help us to open up our hips, being able to challenge ourselves and strengthen our glutes, the side of our glutes here as well. It really does burn right there, so that will help out a lot with that. All right, number 3 is gonna be squats. So squats is pretty easy. We've all done squats. So we're about shoulder or wider than our shoulder width, and our feet are outwards. So not like a horse stance where feet are straight forwards. It's just gonna be slightly out. So that way it's good on our knees. So we just squat just like this. This will help strengthen our glutes as well and our quads. This will also help with your side kicks and your back kicks. Okay, so number 4 is gonna be calf raises. So we're gonna get our dumbbells. Depending on how many you wanna do, I say do as many as you can. Typically, I say do 20 of them or more. Challenge yourself. That's why you're doing karate. That's why you're there to have self-discipline and to become better at what you're doing. So this will obviously activate the calf muscles. And so what kick will be great for that is front kick. So when you do the front kick, you're tightening at the end. You're tightening all those muscles here. Also your hamstrings too. So you'll be able to have stronger kicks when you're doing those workouts. Okay, number 5 is gonna be frog stretch, leg stretch, and butterfly stretch. Okay, frog stretch, we're just gonna be out like this, and we can have it be on our fist, just like this. And then we just kind of wanna like sway back and forth, kind of just stretch those hips a lot. So that will help with the hips. Also, when you go down here, you do the same thing, go back and forth, open to the hips, and just doing this for about 20 seconds. Also, remember to breathe. And then we can go into our butterfly stretch, just like this. Our back is straight, and we're holding our ankles. We don't wanna hold our toes. If we hold our toes, we're gonna be pulling our ankles, and then our ankles will hurt. So we just want to hold our ankles right here. And if you can't keep your back straight, put your hands back just like this, and you can stretch like that. Okay, so we're gonna do leg stretch. So we can bring up our legs just like this on a ledge, and then we just stand here for about 20 seconds, and then we switch to the next leg. So this will stretch out your hips as well and your legs. So that's pretty good for high kicks. If you want to do jumping kicks, any kind of higher kick type stuff, advanced kicks, this will absolutely help with your kicking training. And if you want to keep learning about kicks, check out my other videos as I teach all of the basic kicks. And I've been teaching some advanced kicks, so I'll keep teaching some of those advanced. And so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Also, thank you for 100 subscribers. That is awesome. and I am so glad that I get to help you guys on your karate journey or your fitness journey, and I hope I can continue to keep making these videos for you, and so you can further your training. And thanks for watching.